People love to say expensive cars last longer. Total myth. Some luxury toys are dying before they hit midlife, while the plain, boring cars you ignore are quietly stacking 200K, 300K, even 400K miles like it's nothing. Welcome to the Car 247. This is part one of the series exposing cheap, unassuming cars that outlive vehicles triple their price. These things aren't just reliable, they're basically unkillable. And trust me, part two gets even crazier. If you don't want to be the person saying, wait, that car lasted how long? Hit subscribe. All right, let's jump into the first car that proves you don't need a luxury badge to survive the long game. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the Toyota 4Runner, a true legend in the I'll outlive your luxury SUV department. This isn't just hype. iSeeCars consistently lists it as one of the longest lasting vehicles on the road, and the proof is everywhere. Owners swear by it, reporting 300,000 to 400,000 miles like it's nothing. Meanwhile, that fancy Range Rover your neighbor brags about, it's probably at the shop again trying to figure out why the air suspension hates life. So what makes the 4Runner such a beast? First, it's built on a body-on-frame design, which is basically car engineering 101 for toughness. Think fewer moving parts, less tech that can fail, and a structure that can handle decades of punishment. No fancy electronics, no overcomplicated turbochargers, no temperamental hybrid systems, just solid mechanical goodness that keeps going when the expensive SUVs fold like origami under stress. And it's not just theoretical. Off-roaders, commuters, and families alike have all pushed these machines to their limits, and they just shrug it off. Road trips, snowstorms, potholes big enough to swallow a smart car, the 4Runner doesn't complain. It just keeps ticking. But here's the kicker. As impressive as this SUV is, it's not even the most surprising survivor on our list. The next car lasts even longer, and it's not an SUV. Stick around because if you thought a 4Runner was tough, wait until you see what comes next. Sliding into number 4 on our countdown is the Toyota Camry, the car that proves you don't need flashy lights or a roaring engine to survive decades on the road. Boring? Absolutely. Reliable? Off the charts. In fact, the Camry consistently ranks among the highest probability cars to reach 250,000 miles, and honestly, its unassuming reputation is exactly what makes it a survivor. Nobody tries to race it off the lot, nobody hacks it up with overpriced electronics, it just quietly keeps going. Under the hood, the Camry is refreshingly simple. Engines that don't throw tantrums, parts that are cheap and easy to replace, and minimal electronic complexity that might otherwise send you screaming to the repair shop. Even the V6 models, which give just a touch of excitement for the highway, are notorious for extreme reliability, often racking up hundreds of thousands of miles with routine maintenance. It's the kind of car that makes mechanics smile because they know it's going to behave. And here's the fun part. While Camrys are the quiet champions in parking lots across America, they're a harsh reminder to all those overpriced sedans loaded with bells, whistles, and temperamental gadgets. Complexity is not longevity. But the story doesn't end with Toyota. Not all long-lasting cars are Toyotas, and the next model on our list takes the boring but unstoppable concept and adds a little more personality, proving that even compact cars can go the distance. Stick around because what comes next might just make you rethink everything you thought about small cars. Before we move on, a quick note. If you're enjoying this video, hit subscribe. According to our stats, 99% of viewers don't. And come on, it's free. Subscribing not only keeps you updated for the next part of this series, it also gives us the motivation to keep creating these informative videos just for you. So don't be shy. Join the family. Coming in at number 3, we have the Honda Civic, the little car that refuses to quit. Popular with students, commuters, and even weekend tuners, the Civic has quietly built a reputation for real-world durability that often leaves far pricier European cars in the dust. You know, those fancy sedans that look impressive but make your wallet cry every time they sneeze. Yeah, the Civic laughs at them, literally. Under the hood, these engines are like the cockroaches of the automotive world, practically indestructible. Routine maintenance is all it takes to guarantee a long, healthy life. Oil changes, brakes, the usual care. That's it. Push it, drive it hard, even toss in the occasional track day experiment, and the Civic still keeps ticking. It's a car designed to endure, not impress Instagram followers. And the best part? When it comes to long-term repair costs, the Civic routinely beats European luxury brands by a mile. No complicated electronics, no fragile turbochargers, no exotic parts that cost more than a week's rent, just reliable engineering that keeps you moving for decades. But here's a twist. While the Civic is incredibly tough, it isn't even Honda's most durable car. The next one on our list takes everything you love about the Civic, adds more space, more comfort, and a bit more punch, while keeping that same legendary reliability alive. Stay tuned because the number 2 pick proves that Honda really knows how to build cars that refuse to die. Sliding into number 2, meet the Honda Accord. Basically, the Civic grew up, got a promotion, and started driving sedans that are a bit more adult. While it doesn't get the flashy headlines of some luxury brands, the Accord has repeatedly ranked among the longest-lasting sedans on the market, quietly proving that reliable engineering never goes out of style. What makes it special? The Accord carries more powerful engines than the Civic, but it still retains that same bulletproof reliability DNA. Over the years, transmission upgrades have made newer models even more dependable. And unlike European luxury sedans that might require a small loan just for a clutch replacement, the Accord is cheap to maintain and parts are easy to find. It's the kind of car that makes both mechanics and owners happy. The rare combination of performance, comfort, and endurance. And the best part? The Accord shows that Honda didn't just stop at compact cars. Reliability scales up. But if you're in the market for an SUV that can survive decades and appeal to both Americans and Europeans, the Accord won't cut it. Lucky for you, our number 1 pick fits the bill perfectly. Stay tuned because coming up next is a compact SUV so dependable, it's practically a global workhorse, and it might just make you rethink everything you thought about boring cars. And finally, taking the top spot on our countdown is the Toyota RAV4, the compact SUV that has quietly earned a reputation as a global workhorse. With massive worldwide sales, parts are everywhere. Mechanics know it inside and out, and repairs are straightforward. It's the car that proves simplicity and reliability can beat style points every single time. Under the hood, the RAV4 sticks to what works. Simple engines and non-problematic transmissions that shrug off decades of use. Even the hybrid versions, which some people might think are delicate, consistently last well past expectations, making them an excellent choice for both city commutes and adventurous road trips. Here's the kicker. This humble SUV often outlasts luxury crossovers costing 3 times as much. Fancy gadgets, temperamental suspensions, and high-maintenance electronics and pricier vehicles can't compete with the RAV4's straightforward, reliable design. Owners swear by its longevity, and it's no wonder it's a favorite on both sides of the Atlantic. And this brings us to the bigger question. Why do some cheap, unassuming cars outlast expensive, flashy ones? It's not magic. It's engineering, simplicity, and a focus on longevity over style. Stick around because in the conclusion, we'll break down exactly why these 5 cars are secretly the true champions of the road and why your next car purchase might not need a luxury badge at all. So why do expensive cars fail so fast while these humble machines just keep going? The answer is surprisingly simple. Complexity kills. Luxury vehicles pack in air suspensions, turbocharged engines, exotic transmissions, and high-end electronics, all brilliant on paper, but all potential failure points in real life. Combine that with steep depreciation and repair bills that can make your wallet cry, and you've got a recipe for early breakdowns. BMW, Audi, Range Rover, they all look impressive on the driveway, but in the real world, keeping them running long-term often feels like a full-time job. Meanwhile, our 5 stars, the 4Runner, Camry, Civic, Accord, and RAV4, thrive because they stick to what works. Simpler engineering, cheap and accessible parts, millions of units on the road, and a conservative design philosophy all make them nearly indestructible. Mechanics know these cars inside and out, owners don't fear maintenance, and the result? Cars that outlast flashy, expensive competitors with half the stress. The bigger lesson here is clear. Reliability isn't about price. It's about smart, durable design. Some cheap cars quietly outlast the luxury world,
proving that spending a fortune doesn't guarantee longevity. And if these 5 models are this tough, just imagine the hidden gems out there that nobody talks about. The secret immortals, quietly racking up miles while the high-end vehicles fade away. If you thought Part 1 was eye-opening, Part 2 is going to blow your mind. We're digging deeper into even more underrated cars that could outlast almost anything on the road, and you won't want to miss it. So hit subscribe now, tap that notification bell, and make sure you don't get left behind when the next video drops, because the truth about long-lasting cars is just getting started.